Okay, in example 3, following is the HR data from a patient over several hours. Find the mean heart rate, assuming that stands for. Okay, so we got some HRs here, and then number of readings. Now this is grouped data, even though there's just a single one of these. And I got a spreadsheet for this that you'll download. It looks like this, and the yellow is where you're going to input your data at. Hopefully not colorblind in some form. Our first value is 61. So I'll come over here, and since we only got one value, you put 61 in both lower class limit and upper class limit. And then your frequency would be 1. Now 66. I come down to my second line here, I put 66, 66 and 5. 70 and 5, so I'll come down to my third one, put 70, 75. Then 78, 78 and 2. And 80, 80 and 3. Okay, so again, when you just have a single number here instead of a range, then you just have to repeat it twice. And then all the rest down here, you can click each one and just press your delete key, like that. Make sure you only change what's in yellow. Do not change anything else in the spreadsheet. Or you can click with your left mouse button and hold down and drag. It'll highlight multiple rows and columns, and you press delete, and that'll clean them all out. Now the question is, find the mean, and over here, our mean will be 71.0625, and that's our answer.